Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're now embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland, followed by a visit to the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. We got a lot of traveling ahead of us, so remember, for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your children. Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado.
Folks, please remain seated while the train's in motion. Also, make sure children remain seated at all times. This is for their safety. Thank you.
Gracias. Uh-oh. Did you folks hear that?
No.
Sounds to me like we've reached the wilds of Adventureland, where you just might run into a lot of savage critters out there, including lions and tigers and tiki birds.
Yeah, what's up?
Everybody best be on the lookout. You never know just what may show up.
Got on the boat.
We're approaching our first stop, New Orleans Square Station. This station serves Frontierland, New Orleans Square, and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated till the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step while getting off. Have a good time in the Frontier, you hear? For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square.
Folks, we're coming to our first stop in New Orleans Square, your gateway to Critter Country, Frontierland, Adventureland, and of course, New Orleans Square. If this is your stop, we ask you please do not stand up until the train is waiting complete stop inside the station. Thanks for traveling with us. Have a magic day. Once again, please do not stand up until the train is made a complete stop inside the station.